Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to get the 456 frame on your TikTok. This is a new feature on TikToks that many people are finding a means of getting, and it's a kind of game. So the first thing you have to do if you want to get such is this: to your home screen. So on your home screen, the next thing you have to do is to click on the search option there. Type in Squid game, tap on users. Okay, select any of the frame that has the 456 frame. Click on get frame. Then you can now play the game. But if by any chance you fail the game, the 456 frame will not show up on your profile. What you have to do if you fail the game is to post it. You can post the game on your TikTok story or invite a friend. That way the 456 frame is going to show up on your profile the same way it just showed up on my profile, because I failed the game and I posted it on my TikTok story. That is why it showed up on my profile. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also, you can also ask me a question on how to remove this 456 frame if you don't want it anymore on your profile. So guys,